With the evolution of science and technology, everything around us changes. Just like everything else, printing technology has been changing over the years. It started with tape-based printing technology, and today we can have a 3D printing machine that can print 3D structures. Even though printing technology has improved, the printer manufacturers still use inkjet technology. Inkjet technology is preferred because of the print quality it provides, especially when it comes to image printing. The inkjet is best at photo printing. Dear viewers, today we'll talk about a fantastic inkjet printer, HP Envy 5660.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. HP Envy 5660 is a multifunctional inkjet wireless all-in-one printer designed by the famous electronics product manufacturer HP. The printer is especially suitable for home or small office use, and it's designed to provide high-quality printing service. The printer can achieve 14 pages per minute if you're printing text documents in black. The printing speed will drop to 9 pages per minute when printing colored documents and other materials such as photos, envelopes, cards, and custom-sized papers. It delivers high-quality output. The printer can provide a maximum resolution of 4800 by 1200 optimized DPI color. It comes with a paper input tray that has a capacity of 125 sheets of plain paper. HP printers come with some advanced features. You can use the HP ePrint app to manage your printing and printer. The printer has got an automatic document feeder that can hold 35 sheets of plain paper, and the output tray can hold 25 sheets of paper. HP Envy 5660 comes with flexible connectivity options. It's got wireless connectivity features as well as a wired connection option. The wireless connectivity feature works great. You could print from a remote place using the mobile app. The mobile app will let you scan and print a document using your mobile phone. You can also print documents stored in cloud storage such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud. The auto duplex function automatically prints both sides of the paper. The printer uses HP 62 cartridges that can print up to 162 pages, or HP 62 XL cartridges that deliver an impression of 460 pages. It's time for us to investigate the user ratings on this printer model and find out what customers are saying about it. The printer has 3.7 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 1,978 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that the printer is recommended by most users. Here are some real user comments. One user has given 5 stars and commented, "I've had the Envy 5660 for over a year and it's been great. The monthly printer cartridge plan is good too." Another user gave 5 stars and wrote, "I don't know how long it will last, but so far I'm very happy with the responsive color screen, the fast, quiet printing, and the double-sided printing works like butter." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "This printer constantly loses wireless connectivity. It's probably one of the worst printers I've used due to this. Every time I go to print, I have to reinstall the printer completely." That's all we have on the HP Envy 5660 wireless all-in-one inkjet printer for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.